In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch Netflix online with your friends at the same time, and this can be done completely for free if you have a Netflix account. So what you need to do is first you need to A, have a Netflix account, and you B, need to be on computer. This method currently isn't working on mobile, tablet, PS4, it's only working on computer, and you actually need to have Google Chrome downloaded. So most of you are probably using Google Chrome already, but if you're not, go and download Google Chrome and then we can go and start the method. So once you've done all that, we can open up a new tab and we can go to netflixparty.com. Now, Netflix Party is going to allow us to watch Netflix movies with other people. Now, it's an official Netflix application, a new way to watch Netflix together, and you can essentially watch Netflix together with other people in a party of friends, and you can chat with them about the movie in a chat box below or to the side. So click on Get Netflix Party for free. It's then going to take you to the Google Chrome web store, and this is why I said that you have to have Google Chrome for this to work. Then click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Then what's going to happen is you're going to see the extension up here pop up. Now it'll be grayed out, so don't worry about that. Now what you can do is go back to Netflix and you can watch essentially any movie on Netflix. So I'm going to click on a random movie, but I'm going to have to blur this out. But after clicking on the movie, after it loads, you should see that Netflix Party turns to red. If we click on that and we click Start the Party, we're then going to get a URL and a link which we can copy to other people. Now when you copy this, you can paste it to your friends and they can then join the same watch party and watch the movie that we're trying to watch. So we can either hide the chat or show the chat. But essentially what's going to happen now is when people join your Netflix party and you click play, everyone's going to see that movie at the same time and they're going to be able to talk about the movie in the chat bot. So that's essentially how you can watch Netflix movies and TV shows together online for free. This is perfect for the coronavirus lockdown. If you happen to be self-isolated, use this, make some use of your time and watch some movies with your friends. Cheers guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.